零基础短语600句，每天跟读10分钟，3个月听懂美国人。请订阅我们宇通语言学校。
饼干
Maybe some cookies.
Maybe some cookies.
Good idea.
Good idea.
好主意
Good idea.
Good idea.
Ready to pay?
Ready to pay.
准备结账了吗
Ready to pay?
Ready to pay.
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
是的，我准备好了
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's find a line.
Let's find a line.